Sotto Prasad Majumdar, Honorable Pro-Vice Chancellor, Professor Abdul Jabbar Khan, respected Chair of the Conference and Dean Faculty of Science, BUET, Professor M.A. Rashid, respected Secretary of the event, Professor Abdul Hakim Khan. Beloved students, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. I welcome you all to this wonderful gathering. In spite of very busy schedule, among others, Honorable Minister, Vice Chancellor and Pro-Vice Chancellor have graced this occasion by their presence. Our heartiest thanks to all of you. It gives me great pleasure to address this distinguished audience as co-chair of the first international conference on frontier in sciences. To me, the event has two vital grounds to be proud of. In one hand, this is the first founding event of the newly established Faculty of Science at BUET, and on the other hand, it picks the time-demanding theme of sciences for sustainability. Yes, science has contributed greatly to the globe, but it still has more to offer in the new era of global technology for the humanity and the society. I am confident that this meeting will advocate for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, which aims to create a better future. I am overjoyed to share this responsibility with, among others, the distinguished Minister of Science and Technology, Architect Yasir Usman. Education allows people to earn living while also raising their awareness of a variety of issues, from healthcare to proper social behavior, to knowing one's right. Better citizens must be educated, empowered, and developed. Only a strong family, particularly the mothers, will be willing to educate their child. So rather than concentrating on just one stage of people's life, we should adopt a life cycle perspective. With a life cycle approach to development, it is important to act as a catalyst for bringing lasting change of the lives of underprivileged children, youth, and the women. Adopting the highest governance standards would greatly aid a nation's emergency as a leading knowledge and technology driver, innovative and scalable development. The 17 SDGs are adopted by the United Nations in 2015 is a universal roadmap for the abolition of poverty, lessening of social inequality, the expansion of sustainable societies, and the recovery of our planet's health. The world we live in is becoming more interdependent and national. The solidarity between nations and the region, towns, and countryside is the foundation of Agenda 2030. Ending poverty and hunger, as well as establishing peaceful and equitable societies, will benefit not only the countries directly involved, but will also reduce the risk of tensions or population movements, which can have far-reaching consequences. Global benefits will result from combating climate change, particularly in industrialized nations. Failing to do so will have dramatic consequences. Even in the countries like Bangladesh, which have contributed very little to global warming, the same holds true for reversing the decline in biodiversity and improving ocean health. We must quicken and step up our efforts if we want to accomplish this objective by the year 2030. The SDGs must undoubtedly be implemented, and government must play a significant part in that process. Agenda 2030 also requires citizens, civil society, academia, scientists, philanthropic organizations, and the private sector to cooperate to accomplish the objectives. Ownership and participation are the key. However, much work remains to be done to raise awareness of the importance of SDGs. Dear students, you, the young researcher, are the leader of future. Make the SDG your objective. Share your concern with others in order to make the world a better place. Thanks to the new technologies, communication that becomes easier for us. Information can easily be shared. Also, you can contribute significantly to the development of new ideas about the SDG goals. Discover how we are working with our surroundings for a sustainable Bangladesh to achieve SDG in time. Certainly, for the young people to realize their ambitions and become active citizens, quality education is unquestionably necessary. Recently, BUET is growing fast with multimodal approaches. Universities like BUET can participate actively in the SDGs promotion for true and timely outputs. Just few days back, BUET authority announces the possibility of roof-based energy and agriculture production using its building. Also, BUET is expanding its research facilities by establishing advanced research centers like RISE, offering research incentives to the faculty and expanding its academic horizon. The newly established Faculty of Science is one of these milestones. It's not a dream now that more new departments and research initiatives will be established in BUET in the shortest possible coming days. And the Faculty of Science certainly would have undergrad program very soon, and they have the potential. Today is the evidence of that, starting the evidence of the potential of the faculties of Faculty of Sciences. And the faculties contributed, I must say, a lion part in the enhancement in the quality ranking of BUET. BUET will produce and lead world standard science, engineering, technology graduates as part of global social responsibility. I must say, the vision and the mission, what we see during the last 2 years with this new authority is really quite different what I saw in my last 34 years at BUET. It's very prompt, planning perfectly, realization of the program, and their way of inspiring the pupils, not only for education, even for development, even for the national crisis, even for the national demand. So BUET may be, at the moment, should be the first one who concerned in all aspects. I congratulate the new Vice Chancellor, not now new, but the present Vice Chancellor and the Pro Vice Chancellor and the other person who are working with them. I really thank them and our gratitude for them, for the improvement, for the development, for the step ahead, step height of BUET. We like to be in your group to assist you, whatever you plan, and to fulfill your dreams. In closing, I would like to emphasize the importance of SDGs interdependence, as well as the need to make progress on all of them. It would be difficult to eradicate hunger and poverty if agriculture, health, and job creation did not improve. It will be complicated to reduce inequalities without sustaining and sustainable growth, education, improved health, and gender equality. Economic and social progress will be much more difficult to sustain if temperature raised by greenhouse gas emission and if natural resources dwindle. All of these dimensions must be considered when taking action of implementation of SDGs. I'm glad I was able to share some of my views with you. Let's allow our mind to grow in a sustainable manner, to live peacefully, and secure the roots for future generations to live peacefully. I wish a grand success of the first International Conference on Frontier in Science 2020 at BUET. Thanks a lot for kind hearing and very best.